Today's topic is on focus for Android and iPhones. So we're gonna go over first an introduction about what is focus mode and like what it does. And then we're gonna start on for personalizing focus for iPhone and then move on to Android. Introduction. Focus is an important tool that most phones already have. Focus is a great tool to utilize to limit your screen time, keep scammers from reaching you, and it is good to keep yourself focused without the distraction of your phone notifications going off constantly. Focus mode for iPhones. Utilizing your focus mode is so essential when you're trying to stay on task. To access your focus to customize it, you could go to settings and find where it says focus. So here's a screenshot of an iPhone settings. And once you open the settings apps, this is what it looks like. If you scroll down, you'll see something that says focus and it has a crescent moon as a logo next to it. So it's right here, as you can see. When you open the focus section, you will be able to customize it as you see fit. You can make different sets of focus mode for different occasions or different times. As seen on the right over here, you can make one for when you are sleeping, working, or just need to focus when little to no distractions. Like here's some options. You can do Betty Bye. I think that's like when you're sleeping. I don't use this a lot, so I'm not really sure. This could be a focus for pet since there's a paw print. Personal could be like when you're contacting someone or work, and then there's work when you're working outside, I guess. Where it says allow context from, you can choose if you want to just add context to be able to reach you. So it's right here if you can see. Allow contact calls from context only, or like you can switch the mode if you want. This is good for avoiding spam calls since you don't usually have spam callers saved on your contact list. So this can prevent you from getting spam calls or people you don't know, like it's a random number. Yeah. When you get to the screen, it will show you the apps you can allow notifications from. The apps you choose in this section will be the only apps you will receive notifications from while on focus mode. So right here, I can choose which apps I want to get notifications from. Like here it says Amazon. Even when I'll be on focus mode for my iPhone, I can still get notifications from Amazon, Google, or etc., whatever app you select. When you click on the options of focus, you will be able to customize your notifications. The first option is, is if you want the notifications that you have muted to show up on your home screen as opposed to you're just on your regular notification center. So right here you can you can turn it on and off if you want the notifications to show on your lock screen or if you want them to show on your notification badges. Then you can choose, yeah, and if your notifications badges if you want or not based on what you like. For silencing notifications, you can choose between silencing them only while your phone is off or at all times while the focus mode is on. When you scroll down on personal focus, you will find that you can add a schedule as to when you want this mode activated. On the right here, it is set to 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. every day. This makes it so you do not have to be constantly turning it on and off. So right here, it says where you can set a schedule based on your timings you want it to be. Focus for Androids. Android Focus works similar to iPhone Focus. To access your focus mode and customize it, you must go to settings right here. Here's again a screenshot and search for what says digital well-being and parental controls. So here's the settings screenshot, and right here it says digital well-being and parental controls. When you're navigating to this page, you should scroll down to find focus, and then from there you can customize similarly to how you would on iPhone. This is good when you want to limit distractions on your iPhone. So it's the same thing as iPhone kind of, but it's like differently showed on Android. Once you click on the digital well-being page and you can customize the same schedule you want or like timing. You will be able to click on the apps you do not want notifications from. For example, on the right here, the distracting apps chosen were YouTube, News, and Gmail. So right here, it says your distracting apps, and you can select whatever app you want to. In this very screenshot, it just says YouTube, News, and Gmail. You will be able to choose times you want the apps to be on focus mode by clicking on time limits. So furthermore, there could be time limits on specific apps. Like let's say on YouTube, I don't want notifications from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I could customize that on Android. While you have focus mode activated and you happen to go on an app that was listed as a distraction, this reminder will pop up. So you would go to settings and turn focus mode off. So right here on Android, it will just say focus mode is on. YouTube is a specific app you're on, and on here it said your distraction apps, YouTube. So it will give you a notification like to go back to settings and just change it. Just so you know. All right, to conclude, the amount of time consumed by the use of our electric devices is substantial. It can be difficult to try and keep from distractions, especially with your phone going off with notifications. So using focus mode is a great way to limit your time on your phone. It is also great for avoiding scammers who try and contact you. Thank you for listening.